Hi guys, welcome to our new video. So in today's video I will show you how to fix the problem of your mouse related to a scrolling button. So basically it is a rotary encoder and not much longer working. So this is due to happen when you apply a scrolling command or extra load apply on the scrolling button, but the problem is here, this one, not all the button problem. The problem is only a scrolling or rotating encoder. So basically this is a USB mouse, and I want to show you how to fix this problem. If you suffer from the issue and your mouse not working properly, so follow some steps which I show in this video. So first of all, let's desolder this rotary encoder. So I apply some sort of flux, and after that I apply a soldering iron, but this time I did not use a desoldering pump because the soldering hole is too much near each other. So apply just a little bit of soldering on it and pull from the other side. So just a bit, and be careful when you apply or make some moves like this one. So I just remove rotary encoder very easily, and I use just a 35 volt of soldering iron. So that's okay for me, and you look like this one. So I think the moisture content in this rotary encoder. So just wait a minute, just a 4 second. And so guys, please like and subscribe our channel. So just remove this extra shoulder, and don't waste a time to removing this type of extra pin component. You need some experience when you try to this type of workout. Okay, so I just remove this type of extra solder, and if you want to fix another problem like not moving a cursor, so this is related to the sensor, the both sensor, like this one. Yes, so now the time begun for a new rotary encoder. So watch carefully and don't forget to like a video. So let's okay, so this is another PCB of another mouse, and the fresh one rotary encoder also available on the other PCB. So I just remove this, okay, this rotary encoder, because if you want to try to buy a new rotary scroll, I think that's not a good idea, because the cheap thing not available in the market. So generally I use old one. Now I use a desoldering pump, and that is better. Just wait a few moments. So if you don't have any knowledge how to use a desoldering pump or a desoldering big, so in future video I will make some tutorial on just a basic electronic uses. Okay, let's move this one. So that's it, this is okay, and okay, so this is a basic solution. I don't give any blah blah type conversation, just a proper solution. So I hope you will like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like.